Okay, so hello everyone, once again, welcome back to the channel, and we again have some new job opportunities and openings that have come up this week itself. So I'll quickly go through those one by one, and for whichever one you seem eligible and fit for the role, do apply as soon as possible. And for staying updated with all such opportunities, you may consider subscribing to this channel and also share it around with your friends who are looking for jobs right now. It definitely will be very beneficial for them as well. So without wasting much time, let's directly move on to the openings one by one. Okay, so the first one that we have is from Siemens, which is a really good company to work at. The role is for a Java, AWS, or Azure developer, so a cloud developer in Java, and it's only for freshers as of now. The job location will be Bangalore, and job designation team will be as part of research and development R&D team, and this is the job ID also. After that, you can read through this. This is about the job description, and then as part of your role, you will be required to execute software creation process, well-designed testable code. Also, they have mentioned some points as criteria for this particular role. So your qualification should be BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech with knowledge in Java. So that's pretty much important because this role is specifically for Java developers only. Then again, good knowledge in all Java technologies, Spring Boot, relational, NoSQL databases, microservices, Gradle, web services, REST and SOAP APIs, then Git version control. And then for cloud technologies, AWS or Azure. So these are some of the requirements that they mentioned. And then something about the company itself. You can read about this one as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the company, the experience level, the job type, and the location they've already mentioned to be Bangalore. So to apply, click this button and moving on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is from Infosys, and this is actually a hackathon that Infosys conducts very often. It's called Hack with Infy. It is not a direct interview opportunity that you can apply to. So the hackathon will be functioning from March, starting from March, and will be live till July. So that's the timeline during which all the different stages will take place. Then about the program, you can read from this one. They mentioned the prizes for this hackathon. So the winner gets 2 lakhs, and then all about the first runner-up, second runner-up. And then this is pretty important that the top 100 finalists from the first round will also be given a chance for a pre-placement interview opportunity, a PPI, for the Power Programmer role at Infosys. So this hackathon also functions as an opportunity for a full-time role as well. Then about the terms and conditions, this is everything in detail about the hackathon, the different dates of when you have to apply, and about the teams and everything. After that, they have mentioned something about privacy and data protection and all of that. But if you have any doubts with respect to this, so there are a lot of FAQs that they've mentioned, like team members or virtually, duration of the final round, when will the results be announced, then how do you submit your entries, registration fees, everything you can read through these disclaimers and FAQs. And if you want to apply, just click on this particular button, register now, and this is going to register your entry for this particular hackathon. So that's all. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is from JustPay, which is also a pretty good payments company. So you must have used their gateway while making transactions. So they are hiring through HackerEarth as part of an assessment. The dates are from April 2 to April 4. The duration for the test is going to be 2 hours only, but you can only attempt this test within this window. And then as part of the challenge, so firstly you need to register on HackerEarth. Then there will be an online assessment for 2 hours as mentioned. Then after that, they'll announce the results, and they'll also take a 2 days remote hackathon after the results. So for the assessment part, you will basically have 3 programming questions. No language restriction is there. You can attempt in anyone. And after that, the ones who clear that assessment round will be informed about this 2 days hackathon. After which they'll probably take the candidates. The eligibility is basically anyone from 1 to 5 years of industry experience. So freshers currently cannot apply, but even if you have like 1 year of experience, you can apply. Then developers from SDK, backend, data science, system design, every background, they can apply for this one. Job location again at Bangalore, and they have mentioned something about their own company. These are the different domains for which they might be hiring. So software development, then backend, data science, and infrastructure. What are they looking for? You can read through this, and what do you get as part of this, all that. Then about the company, they've mentioned something, and also guidelines for the assessment. So for any questions regarding this HackerEarth assessment, you can consider this particular tab, and that's all about this one. To register for this one, click this button and be sure of the dates. Only within this window you can apply for this one. All right, so the next one is from Dell, and this one is for a sales analyst role. The job location will be at Bangalore, and they have mentioned something about the job role as well. So as part of this, what you will be achieving is all these points, and then the requirements that they have for this role is you can basically just read through those. The role will also require working in American East Coast shift timings, so be mindful of that. And for the requirements, they are accepting all bachelor's degrees, BE, BTech, and MCA, and 0 to 3 years of work experience is fine for this one. And so for a sales analyst role, if you are interested in that profile, so you can consider applying for this role by clicking on this button. And that's all about this one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is from this company called Amdocs, and the role is for a software engineering associate. People who are graduating in 2021 batch, and this is the off-campus drive. Job location will be at Pune. for this particular job, you can read through these points. So 2021 graduates in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, CSIT and electronic streams, and then 60% criteria through your academics, communication skills. Then your profile will include development testing and then development support as well. Work location can be Pune or Gurgaon. Then they mentioned something about their own company and what is your job going to look like. So basically will be involved with development, designing, debugging, architecture, all that software engineering role. And that's all. They have also mentioned about some perks and benefits. So this is specific to this company, so you can read about this one as well. And also here also they mention reasons to work for the company, so read these points as well. So if you like this particular role and this company to apply, you can click on this particular button to apply. I'm not sure of when exactly this application is closing because they have not mentioned the date anywhere, but currently they are considering applications for this role, so definitely consider applying to this one. And now moving to the next one. Okay, so the next is from Publicis Sapient, and this one is for a SDE, software development engineer role. And this is the off-campus hiring drive that is currently going on. So this is also a pretty good company to work at. The role is eligible for only those who are graduating in 2021. So people who are currently enrolled can apply for this one. And then the degrees are BE, BTech, MTech, dual degrees, MSc, all bachelor's and master's degree in engineering domains are eligible for this one. Streams also they've mentioned computer science, IT, mathematics and computing, software engineering, and all electronics and communication branches are eligible. CGPA criteria is 6.5 and above with no active backlogs. This is basically only a MS Office form that you have to fill. So you just need to mention your date on which you are applying, your name, phone number details, email address, current location, and then your graduating college. So basically they mentioned a list of these colleges. If your college does not lie from this one, you can choose this option other and then enter your answer here for whatever college you have. And then other than that, your degree, which is whatever dual degree, BTech or MTech, and then your stream. So if your stream does not lie here, you can simply type it here as well. And then your current CGPA out of 10 and the year that you are graduating in. So this should ideally be 2021 only, otherwise they'll probably not accept your application. And are you interested in applying for this opportunity, which is a pretty rhetorical question. But that's about it for this one. If you are interested, do fill this form and just hit this submit button to apply. And moving on to the last one that we have for now. Okay, so the last one for now is from this company called Societe Generale, which is basically a French company. I think it's a French banking company. And the job location for this one will be in Bangalore. And this is a full-time role in the IT field. For the responsibilities, just read them once. Then for your profile, they have mentioned you should have knowledge on Unix and shell scripting for this particular role. And then monitoring tools, implementation, Java language you should be familiar with, and databases technologies or SQL scripting. After that, DevOps will be an advantage, deployment tools, and that's pretty much it, CDCI concepts. And then they have mentioned something about their company, so you can read this once. Now this is the job ID for this one, and the starting date also they mentioned, as well as the publication date. So yeah, to apply for this one, just click on this button to apply if you are interested for the software engineer role and profile in this company, and that's all for this one. So those were all the openings that we had for now, and I'll keep on coming up with the new ones as I keep on finding them. And if you want to stay updated with interview preparation material, technical coding, software engineering, as well as job opportunities, you may consider subscribing to the channel. I keep on posting such videos every week regularly, and do share it around with your friends as well if you consider that these are helpful and may benefit someone. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubts regarding these positions, you can comment down below and I'll make sure I apply to all those. And yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you very soon with all the new openings and opportunities in the next video.